Welcome back to my channel. My name is Wade. In this video, we're going to be talking about GameStop because their stock price has been going to the moon this morning because of a simple tweet from Keith Gill. At the end of this video, I'm going to give you guys my opinion on whether or not I'm buying the stock. Let's take a look at CNBC to see what they had to say about GameStop this morning.
And it had been up when Sarah was doing it at the top of the show, 110%. Yeah, the meme trade may very well be back. Roaring Kitty, remember that name of Wall Street Bets fame? He's returned, and shares of GameStop are up as a result. Stock's been halted 7 times since trading got underway. That's just in 45 minutes. So I don't even know if it's halted again. Let's get over to Kate Rooney. Just tell us what you're hearing and what's going on here, Kate.
Hey, David. Yeah, so this is Keith Gill's first online post we've seen in 3 years. Roaring Kitty, as he's also known, was, if you remember, really the Pied Piper of the meme stock frenzy in 2021. He led those online traders to the infamous GameStop short squeeze this morning, posting kind of cryptic photo of somebody just leaning forward, excuse me, in a chair. And that was enough to send GameStop up, as you said, more than 100%. It has been halted for volatility. Our Robert Hum just sent out a note explaining this. He said trading activity for GME has been only 10 minutes. The rest of the day has been halted, and even with just 10 minutes of trading, the stock did 3.5 times the normal volume. But it's not just GME, guys. Other so-called meme stocks like AMC are also catching a bid. It is one sign of overall risk appetite increasing. You'll also see that showing up in the options market, especially for the most volatile corner of that, ultra short maturities, once really reserved for professional traders. 0 days to expire options have climbed in popularity among everyday investors. These are one-day bets on the direction of the market, which can offer outsized returns, rewards, and also outsized risk. Last week, retail activity in 0 DTE options, as they're known, saw the biggest weekly sales since the beginning of the year. That's according to JP Morgan. They are making up a larger slice of overall options trades out there. And meanwhile, there has been less buying of some of the safer proxies for cash. Vanda Research points out slowing flows into money market funds after this surge of inflows as rates started to rise. Vanda says all of this new risk appetite is a function of chasing rising risk asset prices. And then tax implications. They say tax-related peak retail bearishness is now in the rear-view mirror. They note that retail has been rotating more aggressively into single stocks. Guys, back over to you.
So, Kate, on GameStop, I mean, and I'm not saying this in any way has occurred, but Keith Gill, a.k.a. Roaring Kitty, he could have gone into the options market, bought short-term dated options that you're referring to, and then put out his tweet with the chair, and then, I mean, enormous gains, right? You could have bought the 30s, I guess. I can't imagine those cost very much a day or two ago.
I was going to say, very well could have. And you're also seeing just more options activity in general. I mean, I mentioned 0 DTE. Jay Clayton at a conference last week called that gambling, called out some of these really risky pockets of the market. And, this is in no way indicative of the average retail trader, but you are seeing this prevailing corner of the market that's still willing to bet on a stock like GameStop, which really there's no fundamental reason why the stock is moving. It is seen as essentially a gamble here.
One of the main reasons why the stock price is going up is because short sellers are trying to hurry up and close their position after seeing this tweet. For short sellers to close their position, they have to buy the stock, which causes share prices to increase. Also, Keith Gill has a lot of followers on X, and they are assuming that this tweet is related to GameStop. So they are buying purely based on speculation. Whether or not I'm buying GameStop, my answer is no, because it is too risky for my investing appetite. Let me know in the comment section if you're buying GameStop or not. Thank you for stopping by. Like and subscribe. Check the description down below for some free stocks, and I'll see you in the next one.